To watch the standalone Paramount Plus app with DISH, use Hopper Plus or connect another supported streaming device by HDMI. The app needs its own Paramount Plus account and is not built into every receiver. First, separate three products. Paramount Plus is a streaming app. Paramount Network is a traditional television channel. DISH premium channel packages are another billing route and should not be treated as automatic app access. Hopper Plus works with Hopper 3 and adds Android TV features, including Google Play apps. A standard DISH receiver without that app platform cannot install Paramount Plus directly. On Hopper Plus, open Google Play, search Paramount Plus, choose the official app, and install it. Open the app and sign in with a current Paramount Plus account. If the television shows an activation code, open the displayed activation page on a phone or computer. Enter the code and confirm you are using the correct Paramount Plus account. Treat the standalone app subscription as separate billing. Having DISH service or a compatible receiver does not automatically create a Paramount Plus account. Check the current offer before subscribing. Paramount Plus currently sells Essential and Premium tiers. Essential is the lower-cost ad-supported option, while Premium adds Showtime and broader features. Prices and promotional terms can change, so verify at checkout. Without Hopper Plus, connect a supported streaming player to an HDMI port, install Paramount Plus there, and switch the TV input when you want to use the app. A compatible smart television may already have Paramount Plus in its own app store. Install it on the TV, use the same account, and leave the DISH receiver on its usual input. If the app is missing on Hopper Plus, confirm the receiver is online, install System and Play Store updates, restart the box, and search again after the update completes. For a sign-in loop, reset the password on a phone or computer and start activation again. Make sure you are not mixing a direct Paramount Plus account with unrelated provider credentials. For buffering, restart Hopper Plus and the router, use Ethernet when practical, and test another streaming app. That reveals whether the issue belongs to Paramount Plus or the connection. The clean route is Hopper Plus or an external HDMI streamer, plus a valid standalone Paramount Plus account. Keep app billing, Paramount Network, and DISH premium packages separate. Scan the QR for the complete SmartTVS.org guide with Hopper Plus setup, external device options, account activation, and troubleshooting steps.